Hello, people. Yeah, I know this is my real voice. I know you watch my ASMR movies on my channel when I eat my food, and yeah, this is finally the first eating video where you can hear my real voice. Some fruits, a salad, see some grapes, banana, and some apples. Yeah, so yeah, bon appetit. Just a really juicy apple. Mm. Today I went to the Bible study. I really learned a lot. Learned about life. Uh, Not to deal with problems. Was in the morning. Oh, they're really good. Just a banana. Yeah, nice. I just do hear my real voice. Didn't expect that, huh? Some people on YouTube ask me if I stopped with uploading eating videos. No, I didn't stop with uploading eating videos. Still keep uploading eating videos. But I like to experiment with different kind of things. So people ask me, yeah, if I stop. I think my first thought is, excuse me. Really good, really good. Real grapes are still really sweet. The apples are too. Mm. Mm. Nice. Yeah. Mm. I really miss my girlfriend. My girlfriend's really busy with her homework to have any time, so I really miss her. So if you see this video, she will understand how much I feel for her. Yeah, really mean it. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Be good for your girlfriend or for your boyfriend, of course. Your relationship with someone. Be good for the person. Maybe good you two can be forever together. What? Mm. Mm. So I treasure every moment when I'm with her. Even she's sitting on the couch, watching some how's a Korean series, you know, Chinese girlfriend with white skin. No, I'm joking, but yeah, I really love it. Yeah, she knows it. And when she sees this video, she's crying because she gets too emotional. And she understands this message. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's really important how to make a partner really happy, because if know your partner, understand the partner, the way the partner feels, how to handle. That's how really it goes. Mm. This is the same for the marriage. Mm. Not still married, but I think relationship and marriage is still the same. It's yours. Being together, living together, having kids. Mm. Mm. Really nice, really nice. If you want more of the video, tell me. Not stopping with uploading each of my eating videos, and not stopping with ASMR. Mm. Mm. Really, really good. Juicy. Just the Yonago apples. But the really dirty apples are the Fuji apples are really dirty. Don't like it because it's a strange taste and it's very soft. Mm. Mm. Very nice, very nice. If you like this video, put your thumbs up. And if you're still not join this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. And for some people, it's going to sleep. Good night.